Anybody home? Allow me to come in this beautiful Keystone, Montana 3400 RL. Yeah, that's it. It's a 34-foot fifth wheel. And oh my God, it's been 14 months. And I must say, if you don't have the patience, like if you don't build IKEA furniture every week, you probably don't have the patience to do this, because this was a challenge. It was a big challenge. And just to catch you up, if you haven't seen the history, we'll show a picture of before. This is the after. So what do we do? New floors, refaced all the cabinets, new hardware, new fan, new trim, new TV cabinet, new switches, new lights. Oh, I have to plug it in, doesn't work.
Oh.
There is a 65-inch TV in the back, in the back of here, and this thing flips up, and then the TV pops up. It's on an elevator. It's a remote control. So I built this cabinet, kitchen table and chairs with a panoramic view. Imagine if you're parked at the lake, looking out the window. Unfortunately, we're looking at RVs right now, but great view out there. Nice two-seater recliner. A bunch of open room here as well for whatever you want to put here.
Well, you can put the table and chairs there, and
Yeah.
you can put, a day bed here, or another couch, or a couple of recliners.
Or if you have lots of shoes, you could just keep all your shoes here.
Yeah.
Yeah. New lights, new kitchen islands, new faucet, new water drinking system, new 10-stage UV filter, new 3-stage filter, new instant water heater, new fridge, new residential fridge, new stove, new oven, new lights, new tile. And I think the best of all.
Oh, the best of all is truly the washer dryer.
New washer and dryer.
And it's like a decent size.
You can wash clothes every day if you want.
And I did.
And we do.
Okay.
Lots
of storage.
Lots of cabinets. Mm-hmm. Everything is
all
painted.
The new all fans are new.
All brand new painted. Automatic Max Air fan. Remote control. Come on upstairs.
Not a lot of light. Sorry. Brand new bed.
Brand new king size bed.
No one
if we
slept
took off the covers, you'd see the plastic bag on it. Brand new. We unboxed it today. Lots of storage for your clothes.
Lots of more storage here.
Styrofoam under the bed. Styrofoam behind the headboard to keep you nice and warm, to keep you nice and cool. We got a nice little sink, more cabinets, more closets, and shower. We kept the shower enclosure, but new faucets or new hardware, new pan, new
surround.
And
this is residential. This is not plastic.
Right. All new PEX piping, new skylight, new fan, new toilet. It's a composting toilet, but it's brand new.
Yeah.
And that's it. New flooring. So,
we finally finished it.
After all said and done, we lived in it for 8 months. It was great. There's plenty of room. We liked it. But we're back in our house now. We sold our truck, and now it's time to sell this RV. So if you are interested in buying this RV, you better let us know, because hopefully it's going to be sold this week. So thanks for joining us on the tour and the adventure. We'll post this as soon as we can.